Such a good girl.
It's okay, sweetheart.
And now you can see her right claw.
Check that ball. Easy, baby girl. I know, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
May have been something that's just working itself out.
What's that?
I just wanted to make sure she wasn't in pain. That it was something that, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, she's not showing me any signs of pain. We could put her on an